In this video, we show you how to send money on Coinmarketcap. Let's address the question of sending money directly from Coinmarketcap. The truth is that you cannot send funds directly from Coinmarketcap. However, if you sign up, you can earn rewards in the form of diamonds. Coinmarketcap offers various options, such as the Box Analytics Lucky Draw, where you can use your diamonds. Now, some might wonder about the money displayed in their portfolio on CoinMarketCap. It's crucial to understand that this balance doesn't mean you can send money from CoinMarketCap itself. Instead, it's a feature where you can create a portfolio by connecting your crypto wallet to track your holdings and their values. To sum it up, CoinMarketCap doesn't facilitate the direct sending of money. It's designed for learning about cryptocurrencies, tracking market data, and earning rewards through diamonds. These diamonds are collected every 5 hours, and you can accumulate them over time. To check your diamond rewards, click on the diamond icon in the upper section. From there, you can see your accumulated diamonds and discover what you can redeem with them. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.